Welcome to the BattLink setup and feature walkthrough. In this video, we'll guide you through installing the BattLink device onto your industrial battery and show you how to access powerful data insights through smarttelemetric.com. For monitoring battery temperature, voltage, and water levels, BattLink helps keep your electric fleet running longer and smarter. Inside the BattLink kit, you'll find the BattLink unit, pre-wired harness, current sensor, blue clamp, and a water level sensor. You'll also find an installation guide with step-by-step wiring references. Now, let's walk through the setup. Begin by mounting the BattLink device on top of the battery case. Make sure the surface is clean and flat before applying. Next, connect the voltage sensing wires. The black wire connects to the negative terminal of the battery, and the red wire connects to the positive terminal. These leads allow BattLink to measure real-time voltage across the battery. Now install the blue current sensor. Open the clamp and place it around the battery's main negative cable. Be sure the arrow on the sensor is pointing away from the battery. This ensures correct current flow detection for charge/discharge tracking. Insert the water level sensor into one of the central battery cells, following the manufacturer's guidance for placement depth. Once installed, this sensor will help you track when water refills are needed, reducing the risk of dry cells and performance loss. Before powering on, make sure all wires are firmly connected, zip-tied or secured as needed, and that the BattLink unit is firmly mounted. Now you're ready to power up. BattLink powers on automatically when connected. The LED indicator on the unit will blink or stay solid once data transmission has begun. If you see consistent activity, you're good to go. Next, log into your dashboard at smarttelemetric.com. If you're a new user, set up your account and register your BattLink device using the QR code or serial number. Once logged in, you'll have access to your fleet's real-time battery data. And that's it. BattLink gives you the power to track, protect, and extend the life of every battery in your fleet. Combined with the Smart Telemetric platform, you'll have access to detailed insights, automated alerts, and smarter maintenance planning. Ready to optimize your fleet? Visit smartchargetech.com to get started.